So finally, Accenture sending the offer letter, and I am going to share with you these details, which is the CTC breakdown is also there. But one thing, these mail is compulsory. You have to understand what is going on, and this is the complete Accenture update. I want to tell you each and everything in detail. There is not only one thing I want to tell you, that offer letter is released. I know it's released, but you did not get the mail. Then watch video till end. What about the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3? Watch video till end. And if you did not get any mail, even your verification, background verification is failed. Watch video till end, because the offer letter only those students getting the offer letter whose background verification is successfully completed. After that, they are receiving the offer letter. But if you lack in the background verification, then there is the direct rejection. One more thing, that there is one chance they will give you that update your document, one update, and if you did not even complete your update process after some error in the document, then they will give you the rejection mail. तो इस तरीके से चीजें हो रही हैं. Please watch video till end. This is not a normal update video. ठीक है. The first thing I want to tell you, great news that yeah, congrats if you received the offer letter. This is the actual offer letter. You can take the screenshot for the upcoming, because if you did well or completed the background verification, then you will also receive this mail very soon. Now this is the CTC breakdown, like not a breakdown, you can check that 4.44 LP is the package, means 4.4 LP is the package, and these are the thing like total compensation and bonus वगैरह. ये तो normal चीजें हैं, but these type of thing you will also receive if you successfully completed the background verification. That's it. Now moving forward, that if you see that this is the CH custom support, we will get started on carefully reviewing your application and keep you update about next step. Means if you created like your Workday account और बहुत सारी चीजें, like if you applied, then they are reviewing also. If you get the shortlisting mail, if you get shortlisted, then they will give you the assessment. ठीक है, जो कि मे भी बहुत सारी चीजों से related है, like phase 3, maybe this is phase 3, or they are reviewing, or they will send you the assessment mail. Because if you see, this is the thing after completing the interview, after completing the background verification, after applying also, people receiving this type of mail like reviewing your application and keep you updated about the next step. But the warning is also there. See any action you need to take and withdraw your application if your situation changes. अब यहाँ पे एक जो चीज है ना, withdraw your application. Now watch video till end. So what is this video about? Accenture complete update for candidate covers Workday mail background verification offer letter applicable for phase 1 phase 2 candidate and both on campus off campus candidate included. ठीक है, अब दो चीजें समझने की जरूरत है, proof and motivation. Candidate updates, like candidate have successfully received the offer letter which I already showed you. Phase 1 candidate interviewed 29 December got offer letters. We already see the background verification for 29 December. Now we see the offer letter of 29th of December. Now off campus candidate also received confirmation and real journey example, no fake update. ठीक है, बिल्कुल genuine है. If you completed the background verification, then check your mails and spam folder भी check कर लेना and check out that if you receive this offer letter mail or not, or compensation detail or not. ठीक है, if you did not, then you have to wait. This is ongoing and on a phase wise or a slot wise. Now Accenture hiring process, correct flow, what is going on? Order may vary, do not panic. ठीक है, order is different for each and everyone. Phase 2 phase 1 order is different. Like some candidate receive the congrats, then Workday mail, then background verification, then offer letter. But some candidate receive the Workday mail first, then congrats mail, then background verification, then offer letter. The sequence can change, but it means if you receive the Workday first or Workday or congrats mail first, then you are selected and you are shortlisted, and just you have to pass the background verification. After that you will receive the offer letter. That's it, all are normal. Now phase 1 offer letter update, offer letter released for phase 1 candidate, package mentioned around 4.4 and 4.5 LPA. Annual compensation, benefit allowance, on campus and now off campus offer released. हमने शायद कल ही या मैंने 2-5 दिन वीडियो बनाई थी जिसमें हमने ऑफ कैंपस के ऑफर लेटर देखे थे. Sorry, on campus, now off campus also released. If you received, comment and confirm that you received. ठीक है, and if you did not receive, just comment down. Phase 2 congrats mail update, a candidate receiving 2 type of mail. Now case 1 Workday account not created mail, asked to create Workday account, create a profile and wait for background verification. Now if you see, take a moment to create a Workday. ठीक है, ये तुमको आ रहा है एक मैसेज कि भाई अपना Workday का अकाउंट बना लो जितनी जल्दी हो सकता है. ठीक है, so this is the mail for Workday account if you did not create it, because if you are not creating, then background verification mail you will not receive. Now case 2 Workday account already created a mail, asked to login, check activity, application status usually show interview completed, green tick. Now the thing is inactive एप्लीकेशन और ओल्ड और डुप्लीकेट जॉब आईडी। इसमें कोई टेंशन की बात नहीं है, मैंने इस बारे में एक वीडियो में बता चुका है, चाहो तो वो वीडियो देख लेना। अब यहाँ पे अच्छे से समझ लो, और भी बता देता हूँ मैं इनएक्टिव एक्टिव का क्या है। But the thing is, if you receiving this mail, it is related to your this, but you have to do one thing। बस तुम्हें एक चीज़ नहीं करनी, एक्टिव इनएक्टिव एप्लीकेशन है, ठीक है। करंट हायरिंग प्रोसेस इन एक्टिव एप्लीकेशन, इन एक्टिव मीन्स ओल्ड और फिल्ड एंड डुप्लीकेट रोल इज देयर, ठीक है। नाउ डू नॉट विदड्रॉ एप्लीकेशन। सी इफ यू आर विदड्रॉइंग एप्लीकेशन देन दे आर सेंडिंग द रिजेक्शन मेल। विदड्रॉइंग एप्लीकेशन व्हाट इज मीन्स यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन द कंपनी और यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन द हायरिंग। सो ये क्या करेंगे, रिजेक्शन का मेल दे देंगे, और रिजेक्शन के बाद कूलिंग पीरियड अप्लाइड हो जाएगा। इफ यू अप्लाई अगेन देन दे विल नॉट गिव यू द रिस्पॉन्स, दैट्स इट। विदड्रॉइंग कंपनी थिंक यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड, दैट्स इट। इसका मतलब यही है। बैकग्राउंड वेरिफिकेशन, कीप डॉक्यूमेंट रेडी, ऑल marksheet, degree, provisional degree, Aadhaar card. So watch my video link in the description box about document verification, and I already show you how to create the PDF also. Just check out the link in the description box. So if there is mismatch, rejection will be there, or one update message also there. अगर थोड़ा सा रहेगा तो like अगर किसी एक डॉक्यूमेंट में थोड़ा सा मिसमैच है नेम का, तो वो एक और अपडेट मेल दे देंगे कि अपडेट कर लो। बट देयर इज मैनी मिसमैच इन योर डॉक्यूमेंट, देन दे विल गिव यू द रिजेक्शन। इवन टर्मिनेशन आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग, ठीक है। एक्यूरेसी इज नॉन नेगोशिएबल, क्योंकि आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग के बाद भी यहाँ रिजेक्शन होंगे अगर कुछ भी डॉक्यूमेंट में दिक्कत जाती है। So waiting phase is not rejected, different HR, different timeline will be there. That's why taking time. Some candidate get updates early because they applied early and they completed the exam interview early. That's why some get a delayed update, and waiting is not the rejection. ठीक है, trust only official mail. ठीक है, not on Telegram, backend status, unofficial screenshots, which I already told you in every video. What should you do now? Check Workday portal regularly. Do not withdraw application. This is the warning, ठीक है। Keep document ready, stay calm and patience. Now this is the final message. If you got official mail, then you are safe and you are and definitely you will get to see the modules, because learning modules is there after offer letter. Now phases have different timeline. Next video will cover what to do after offer letter, ठीक है। Very soon I am creating video. Don't worry, after offer letter you have to be prepared for the training modules, and joining date, joining letter will be there. Means there are many steps after offer letter and you must know about these steps if you receive the offer letter. So बहुत सारी वीडियो आने वाली हैं, अभी एसेंचर का खत्म नहीं हुआ है, तो हमको एक चीज़ नहीं, इसमें बहुत सारी मैंडेटरी चीज़ें हैं। एवरीवन जस्ट गिविंग यू द अपडेट दैट ऑफर लेटर आ गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, बट वी आर टॉकिंग इन डिटेल, ठीक है। एंड देयर इज द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स अबाउट बैकग्राउंड वेरिफिकेशन। चेक आउट दैट वीडियो and create PDF like me. I already show you the practical way. One more thing, that if you did not receive the mail, that this is going on a phase wise and slot wise. Suppose you are in the second phase and your slot will be the last slot, then how you will get to see the offer letter earlier, ठीक है। You have to be patient and you have to wait for the official mail. Now what about the phase 3? Maybe phase 3 will happen after offer letter. अब देखो इसमें हायरिंग लेकिन बहुत कम होगी, ठीक है। मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ कैंडिडेट they will hire in phase 3, but if there is phase 3 then you have to keep yourself ready, and this is the offer letter. Check once your spam folder and email, एक बार अच्छे से चेक कर लो। If you receive this then congratulations, you are in the game. But यहाँ पे एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है, इसके बाद बहुत सारे स्टेप्स हैं आफ्टर ऑफर लेटर, and for that you have to comment down that please स्टेप ऑफर लेटर, बस लिख दो कमेंट में, मैं ले आऊंगा स्टेप ऑफर लेटर, दैट्स इट। ये चीज़ लिख दो कमेंट में जल्दी से, मैं ये एक और वीडियो क्रिएट करने वाला हूँ, ठीक है। तो इफ यू हैविंग एनी क्वेरी जस्ट कमेंट डाउन एंड डोंट पैनिक इफ यू डिड नॉट रिसीव एनी मेल, बिकॉज आई नो ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट इवन you did not receive the shortlisting mail, means after shortlisting you did not receive the online assessment, so highly chances there will be the phase 3 and you will receive the mail, but believe me हायरिंग बहुत कम होगी बच्चों की, इस लेवल पे नहीं होगी जैसे फेज 1 फेज 2 में हो रही है। बट ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं होगी, देंगे, मान लो वो 1000 बच्चों को देंगे, ठीक है। अब उसमें से काफ़ी लोग तो रिजेक्ट हो जाएंगे, काफ़ी लोग इंटरव्यू भी क्रैक नहीं कर पाएंगे, काफ़ी लोग बैकग्राउंड वेरिफिकेशन में बाहर हो जाएंगे। इस तरीके से तो वैसे भी फेज 1 फेज 2 में चल ही रहा है, तो फेज 3 में भी यही होगा। तो डोंट वरी, जस्ट चेक आउट Accenture PDF, which is the prep PDF, link in the description box, and start your preparation. Thanks for watching.